The first is SMPS. The full form of SMPS is Switched Mode Power Supply. Second is Gmail. The full form of Gmail is Google Mail. Third one is Ping. The full form of Ping is Packet Internet Grouper. Fourth is LAN. The full form of LAN is Local Area Network. Next is WAN. The full form of WAN is equal to Wide Area Network. VLC. The full form of VLC is Video LAN Client. VDU. The full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. LED. The full form of LED is Light Emitting Diode. LCD. The full form of LCD is Liquid Crystal Display. Mbps. The full form of Mbps is Megabytes per second. Kbps. The full form of Kbps is Kilobytes per second. HTTP. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS. The full form of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Windows. The full form of Windows is Wide Interactive Network Development for Office Work Solution. IP. The full form of IP is Internet Protocol. IPv6. The full form of IPv6 is Internet Protocol version 6. URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. CDMA. The full form of CDMA is Code Division Multiple Access. SIM. Yes, friends, SIM. The full form of SIM is Subscribers Identity Module. AVI. The full form of AVI is Audio Video Interleave. GIF. The full form of GIF or GIF is Graphical Interchangeable Formats. JPEG. The full form of JPEG is Joint Photographic Expert Group. BMP. The full form of BMP is Bitmap. WMV. The full form of WMV is Window Media Video. PNG. The full form of PNG is Portable Network Graphic. PDF. The full form of PDF is Portable Document Format. HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. CD. The full form of CD is Compact Disc. DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. GUI. The full form of GUI is Graphical User Interface. ISP. The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. UPS. The full form of UPS is Uninterruptible Power Supply. GPRS. The full form of GPRS is General Packet Radio Service. BIOS. The full form of BIOS is Basic Input Output System. SMTP. The full form of SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. HDD. The full form of HDD is Hard Disk Drive. Bit. The full form of bit is Binary Digit. VGA. The full form of VGA is Video Graphic Array. SVGA. The full form of SVGA is Super Video Graphic Array. SQL. The full form of SQL is Structured Query Language. DPI. The full form of DPI is dot per inch. HDMI. The full form of HDMI is High Definition Multimedia Interface. OCR. The full form of OCR is optical character recognition. AI. The full form of AI is artificial intelligence. AMD. The full form of AMD is advanced micro device. SSD. The full form of SSD is solid state device. DDR. The full form of DDR is double data rate. USB. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. Virus. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resource Under Seized. GSM. The full form of GSM is Global System for Mobile Communication. GPRS. The full form of GPRS is General Packet Radio Service. CD-ROM. The full form of CD-ROM is Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. CMD. The full form of CMD is Command. DVR. The full form of DVR is Digital Video Recorder. NVR. The full form of NVR is Network Video Recorder. IVR. The full form of IVR is Interactive Voice Response. MAC. The full form of MAC is Media Access Control. WWW. The full form of WWW is World Wide Web. ISP. The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. VPN. The full form of VPN is Virtual Private Network. Wi-Fi. The full form of Wi-Fi is Wireless Fidelity. WML. The full form of WML is Wireless Markup Language. TCP. The full form of TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. IBM. The full form of IBM is International Business Machines. ASCII. The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. BASIC. The full form of BASIC is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. SATA. The full form of SATA is Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. RAM. The full form of RAM is Random Access Memory. The full form of FTP is File Transfer Protocol. FAT. The full form of FAT is File Allocation Table. FLOPS. The full form of FLOPS is Floating Point Operation Per Seconds. FM. The full form of FM is Frequency Modulation. AM. The full form of AM is Amplitude Modulation. Internet. The full form of Internet is Interconnected Networks. ROM. The full form of ROM is Read-Only Memory. ZIP. The full form of ZIP is Zigzag Inline Package. PC. The full form of PC is Personal Computer. MBR. The full form of MBR is Master Boot Record. RJ45. The full form of RJ45 is Registered Jack 45. DBMS. The full form of DBMS is Database Management System. DNS. The full form of DNS is Domain Name System. PCB. The full form of PCB is Printed Circuit Board. SMS. The full form of SMS is Short Message Service. SMTP. The full form of SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. PROM. The full form of PROM is Programmable Read-Only Memory. ATM. The full form of ATM is Automatic Teller Machine. ALU. The full form of ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. COBOL. The full form of COBOL is Common Business Oriented Language. Fortran. The full form of Fortran is Formula Translation. CRT. The full form of CRT is Cathode Ray Tube. EPROM. The full form of EPROM is Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. UNIVAC. The full form of UNIVAC is Universal Non-Integrated Vacuum Actuated Computer. XML. The full form of XML is Extensible Markup Language. E-commerce. The full form of e-commerce is Electronic Commerce. UART. The full form of UART is Universal Asynchronous Receiver. CSV. The full form of CSV is comma separated values. OS. The full form of OS is operating system. Google. The full form of Google is Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. DOS. The full form of DOS is Disk Operating System.